The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down or offense is intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Hold on. One of there, sir. You don't watch it? You can't miss this. This is an ultra exclusive interview. IT and Fancy Cat Show. Get it? Trust me. Right now, social media sites all over the world, US network, this is go bigger than the recent US election. This is go big like a meme. Big like OD big. Like spicy big. Like huge. Check it out. When I move, my God, I don't know better follow me. We are very happy that you decided to do this interview, sir. We are extremely elated because this is an exclusive for us. You know, so thank you.
Respect.
We are very proud of you and your cronies. I mean your colleagues.
Thanks for having me.
Yes. Well, we're live here inside today, and we have a very prominent businessman, very successful foreign currency making businessman here inside the studios. Welcome. Firstly, thank you for being with us, John Doe.
Yes. I don't want my identity out there.
Right.
If I do them things, people know.
Right. Understood.
John Doe,
And that's important because we have some very serious questions about your illicit practices.
No, I'm not doing them things.
What?
Explicit.
No, I didn't say explicit. I mean, what you do to make money.
Oh, that. Yeah.
Yes. Tell us some trade secrets.
Well, you don't know a little, you know.
I see. I notice your tattoo is very...
Yeah. I love
yes.
money.
Yeah. So how did you get involved?
Well, it's what happening is like I want my friend. My friend, he that do a thing like him and I lose him voice and I get hoarse. And I trim my talk to the person and I twang and thing and yeah man, yes man, and you know. So I'm saying my friend, deal with it for you because I have the foreign voice pot. I said, yes ma'am, you won $25,000. And you were saying $2,000. You answer, get it. Yes. And she talked back in my time and said, yeah, ma'am, you will get it in the mail.
Let me ask you, so why don't you get a regular job? You know what you're doing is against the law.
No, it's what happening. It's I can't read and write. You see, and I eat big man and man.
One second, could you remove your glasses because the glare is affecting our cameras?
The camera glasses?
Yes.
Then I'm not see my face.
No. This is TV. We just your identity will be concealed. We just put a block over your eyes.
So you show them not see my face?
No. We just cover you. Put a block. You know TV.
My face good.
Incognito. Don't you feel bad about doing this?
No, man. I mean, no. Well, actually, at one time, still me feel bad. Yes, just one is that, but I have some overnight curry for me to eat. Yes. And it have my belly a way boil up and thing, and you know, at the only time I remember I feel bad still, but apart from that, everything good. Just a minute. For my client. Hello? Yes, Miss Chin. Yes, you must send $20,000. No, not yen, US. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. Yes.
So So you literally change your accent depending on the client.
Yes. Sometimes, you know, Chinese, Korean, American, you know. And then one of them you have to change. If it's even Trinidad, then you have to know to switch it back.
I see.
You know what I'm saying? What was that?
Yeah, in the sense of remorse.
Lenny, are you that? Wait. Yeah, man, wait. Nothing you wake up here.
Yeah, man.
No. One day I do like a quick interview still, you know?
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Is he a part of your business?
So look at it. No, man, the man they talk too much. No, about this. I'm mad. See how person work.
What's the most money you've collected?
20,000 US.
Oh, US?
Yes.
US. Like one day?
Yes. This is what happens that when them send the money, instead of when the money transfer place,
Right.
I'm gonna go down there window 3. Yes, and Denise.
Oh.
Yes, and she link up the thing for me, and I'm just leave her money with her. Cause you don't know. Like a props that, you know. So big up Denise.
So nobody asks you any questions about the money you're collecting?
No.
The frequency that you collect this money?
No.
The reason why you're collecting the money?
I'm a friend.
What you do with this money?
No, that's why I go to Denise. Because she me and her, like, you know. We think so. We don't make everybody know our business. So Denise. Something to take the call.
Your phone is very important.
Very much, yeah. Hello. Yes, Lenny here. Yes, that's my address. 12 Waterfront District. Yes. Who? My baby mother, what she do down there? Sure. All right, I'm coming. Just have to leave now. Yeah, my baby mama, she's down by the house and she's going with something.
We really wanted to, complete the interview.
Yeah, but they can't call me, man. They can't call me. Until you're ready for finish it, just call me. You know, 755-1205. Just call me.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
yeah. For leave now, so respect. Remember, keep everything off, yeah? Yes, babe. What do you mean if my love? I can't afford this, man. Yeah, man. Hello? 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 I don't know, some credit just done.
Yeah, I know I have no credit on my phone.
No, brother. Me I tell you enough is search your woman phone.
Me search my woman phone now.
So hold on, if you go in our phone and see a strange number, where are you?
I fear business, me still a searching safe, man.
You're there, man. Yeah. You search your woman phone?
No, sir. From a trust your woman, you have to go in a woman phone, but you search,
Really
man.
generally that. Really generally, I listen.
Me I call her, me I quick call her. This one, search woman phone. Let me mute her, man. Hello. Yes, babes, and I'm credit finished the call, so I'm just buy a virgin phone for make a quick call and take. No? No? Alright. Yeah. Baby, something to come link her down the shop. A surprise to me.
What? Surprise!
Tell you.
Yeah.
You see there?
In color one time, man.
When do you get from my skin?
Hear me and fund them.
Up there, man.
I'm gonna say, Baba, I'm done with it. Done with it. I don't want this clear Cali in the road.
Up there.
No, it's the same thing that
Them man the search phone.
them man in a third in a year. If a year, you know, brother, years, them man they are do it for. Surprise! Unwrapped dreams, man.
I have to tell you.
Yeah, me tell you to that.
Tell me.
Hi, baby.
What happened?
I'm here.
What a surprise how you say after me.
Well, the surprise is at home.
Yeah?
But I'm gonna go to the bathroom, so I'll be back real quick, okay?
Okay.
I missed you.
Yeah, I'd say. She loves me now. I'm gonna search my girlfriend. So man, I gotta search my girlfriend, but I'm gonna search my girlfriend because she don't know my girl loves me. So I'm gonna have to search her phone, you know? I'm gonna have to search out my girlfriend. I'm gonna do them things there. Search my girlfriend, my girl. My girl loves me, I'm gonna search her phone. No, man. So which man this shit? Which man number this man shower call? I'm not talk to so long. 5 minutes. Hello.
Hello.
Yo, I wish man this moment I talk to so long on phone.
Yo, brother, stick it on you coming on for me or my original little girl, you know.
Yo, that man a bad man and I mean do your things you know you come talk about.
Wait there. Damien.
Oh, you mean? Where's the little one? Oh, you know my name?
Brother, Ricky. You use my phone and call a girl today.
Oh, are you Ricky? Oh, that's what it done, no? Not tell nobody, yeah?
Alright, brother, you see if it's safe.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yo, boy, I Damien that, you know. And just searching girl phone and see my number after I'm calling girl off of my phone today.
Hey, tell us the Damien search phone, you know, brother.
My name knows a man search phone there.
What a big phone searcher, brother.
I hear me in the chair, you know. Yo, bad man, not do them thing, no man. You.
Them man a search phone, brother.
Search up,
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
and that's the hotel fancy can.
You want to see more? Where you go? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not so much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright,
me?
thanks for watching IT.
Fancy can.